Before we get started with the full tutorial, if you want the best Zen scripts, updated configs, private setup help, and access to every script I personally use, go to sigmascripts.wtf right now. That's where all the newest Zen scripts, settings, and tutorials get uploaded first. We also help people set up their Zen step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully set up your Cronus Zen from scratch. We're doing full firmware update and installing Zen Studio, adding scripts to your Zen. PS5 setup, PC setup, Xbox setup, everything step by step. Before we start, if you want all the best updated scripts without wasting hours searching around, go to sigmascripts.wtf. The membership gives you access to all the newest Zen scripts, setup tutorials, configs, and private support. For just one price, you're able to get the best scripts for every single game, including NBA 2K26, Call of Duty, Rainbow Six Siege, Fortnite, and every other game as well. It's also updated frequently with new scripts weekly, so you never have to pay for individual scripts ever again that are usually being overcharged like crazy. So once again, the website is sigmascripts.wtf. They have so many reviews and have scripts from every single developer in the Zen community. You can even see this guy on Reddit said it was so worth it because he never has to buy a script again. Anyways, let's start with the firmware update. First, your Cronus Zen comes with USB-C cables. You're going to need at least 2 cables for this setup. One cable connects the Zen to your PC or laptop. The second cable connects your controller or console. You need a PC or laptop for the firmware update and for installing scripts onto the Zen. Important, top USB port on the Zen equals firmware updates. Write USB port on the Zen equals loading scripts. Now let's install Zen Studio. Go to the official Zen Studio download page. Download the latest version and install it. Once Zen Studio is installed, open it up. When the pop-up appears, click Launch Update Tool. If the pop-up doesn't appear, click Tools, then Firmware Update. Now we're going to put the Zen into bootloader mode. Take the cable connected to your PC, hold the blue button on the back of the Zen. While holding it, plug the cable into the top USB port. You should see Zen Bootloader. Once detected, you check the blue checkbox. Click Continue, click Begin Update. Wait for the firmware update to finish. And now we're going to install scripts. Unplug the cable from the top port, plug it into the right USB port instead. Inside Zen Studio, open Programmer tab. Open Compiler tab if using GPC scripts. Before loading scripts, I recommend doing a factory reset. Go to Device to Factory Reset. This helps avoid bugs and weird issues. Now, for scripts, if you want all the newest scripts already updated and optimized, they're all on sigmascripts.wtf. You can also browse scripts directly inside Zen Studio under the Programmer tab. For custom scripts, click File, Open, select your downloaded script, then drag the script into a slot. Click Program Device. Once it says Complete, your scripts are loaded. Now let's set up PS5 first. Keep Zen Studio open, set Output Protocol to Auto. Now on your PS5, plug your PS5 controller into the left USB port of the Zen. Plug a USB-C cable from the top Zen port into the PS5. Before using the Zen on PS5, you must disable Bluetooth. Go to Settings, Accessories, General, Advanced Settings arrow, turn off Bluetooth. Your PS5 will restart. After reboot, plug controller into left port. Touchpad will glow yellow. Hold the touchpad until it turns blue. Then select your profile. Now, go back to Settings, Accessories. Turn off Accessories. Then press the blue button on the back of the Zen once. You'll see the screen glitch for a second. That means the bypass worked. Press circle. Your scripts are now active. And important, you must repeat this bypass setup every time you restart the PS5. If you want easier PS5 bypass methods and updated setups, they're all posted on sigmascripts.wtf with video tutorials. For PC, plug the right USB port into your gaming PC. Set Output Protocol to Xbox 360. Now, plug another cable from the top port into the PC. Plug your controller into the left USB port. You should see console icon appear, controller icon appear. That means everything is connected correctly. You're now ready to launch your game and use scripts. For Xbox, set Output Protocol to Xbox 1/X. Plug controller into left USB port. Plug top USB port into Xbox. That's it. Press the blue button on the Zen to cycle through scripts. You can test scripts in-game immediately. If you want the exact scripts, configs, and updated setups I personally use, go to sigmascripts.wtf. That's where I upload new scripts, updated configs, setup tutorials, private support, daily help calls. Link is in the description.